Welcome to Murad Learners Academy, the place where people come to learn. Learners, in today's video, I will share you research topics related to HR and coronavirus subjects. So let's start this video. Number one topic which I will share with you is in front of your screen is related to employee satisfaction and coronavirus. You can conduct this topic in any sector of your choosing, such as IT, बैंकिंग, ठीक है, बैंकिंग के अलावा आप कर सकते हैं मीडिया, टूरिज्म, एयरलाइन सेक्टर, ठीक है. सेलेक्ट एनी सेक्टर रिलेटेड or of your choice. Moving next topic is job, again related to job satisfaction and coronavirus. It's investigation related to IT and it's conducted in India. You can conduct it in your own country like in Pakistan, Australia, ठीक है, any sector. Let's move to another topic. Next topic, as you can see, related to telework. ठीक है, you can also select this topic if you like this. Next topic is related to is measuring coronavirus influence on employee satisfaction or the job satisfaction plus the person and growth in their business. But in this topic, yes, they are studying nursing sector. Okay, we can say they are studying medical sector. So you can change any sector according to your choice and study it. Moving to the next topic, it's related to coronavirus impacts on sport people in their fight and their issues. It's basically related to home life, or we can say it's related to work-life balance. Coronavirus and work-life balance topic it is. Next, I will show you Google Scholar website. You can go there in search engine, paste any topic you want to search, anything you have in your mind. I had this in my mind, impact of lockdown and job satisfaction, so I searched it and I found these topics. So there are more topics you can see. They are all related to HR and satisfaction. Plus, if you little focus it, if you focus more, they are related to 2020 year. As you can see, this is also the latest topics. If we go a little more down, we can see more topics related to this research. Plus, there are more topics related to coronavirus and other topics, other aspects. And last but not least, impact of coronavirus on job section. You find different topics for domain like mental health. ठीक है, इसके अलावा स्पेन में जनरल पॉपुलेशन का क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है, ई बिजनेस का इफेक्ट क्या पड़ रहा है एशियन कंट्रीज में लाइक मलेशिया, ठीक है, एक्सेट्रा. यू कैन सी मोर, स्क्रॉल डाउन यू विल सी मोर टॉपिक्स. सो दिस वाज फॉर टुडे. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और बेल आइकन को लाजमी प्रेस करें ताकि आपको मेरी आने वाली इन्फॉर्मेटिव और लेटेस्ट वीडियो इजीली मिल सके. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.